Come test drive 2012 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, fog lamps, privacy glass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.